Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, we are going to cover vocabulary 22. We will be seeing 5 words, its meaning, sentences. You have already got other vocabulary words in the playlist. Please do go and check it out there. If you're new here, I would like you to subscribe to the channel, give it a like if you enjoy this content. You can also find content from NIOS Senior Secondary Course, English, Maths and Computer Science. Let's begin. First word is menial. It means a task or a job that one does not require any skill for that, which is usually thought as a low status or unimportant job. So sentence with that would be, she was tired of doing menial chores like washing dishes and sweeping floors. So this kind of jobs can be called as menial, which is considered as less important. Let's move on to the next word, that is abrogation. It means that something that is formal or official ending, okay, or usually can also refer to as some cancellation of law or agreement. Sentence with this word would be, the court's decision led to the abrogation of the outdated law. Next word that we are going to see is whiff. It means a slight smell of something. Also, it is used to mean a brief or faint experience of something. Sentence with this word would be, I caught a whiff of fresh bread as I passed the bakery. The next word that we are going to see is pillion. It means a seat or a place behind the rider of a motorcycle or bicycle for a passenger. Sentence with this word would be, she rode pillion on her brother's motorbike through the countryside. The last word for the video is gait. It means the way someone walks or moves on foot. The sentence is, the old man had a slow shuffling gait. So these are the 5 words for the video. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel so that you get notifications on time. And thank you for watching.